Hi there! Want to add captions to your videos automatically in just seconds? With Captions AI, you can generate captions instantly, edit styles, animate text, and make videos more engaging. No manual typing needed. So let's get started. First, open the Captions AI app on your phone. Tap Create and then select the caption video to import your footage. Choose the video from your gallery and tap preferred to English. Wait for a few seconds while the app uploads your video. Once your video loads, the Captions AI will automatically generate subtitles for you. No need to manual type. AI does all the work in just seconds. Due to restriction, the app doesn't allow to screen record the video, but actually you can edit the text, change the style, and animate the caption. Explore the app and play around with different settings to match your video style. And once you're happy with your caption, tap export to save your video in HD quality. Post it in YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, and more. Just like that. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI video creation hacks. Thanks for watching.